Bella. Who's that dog? Tommy, who's in the window?
He's looking for toys, I think.
Oops.
You don't think he's after the kitties, do you?
No.
I know, it's confusing, isn't it? It's very confusing. How much is that dog in the window? The one with the wiggledy tail. Yeah, it's a good dog in there. Well, sometimes it's good when he's sleeping. It's very, very good. See? And then he's not back here. I know. Yeah, yeah. He's very handsome, though. I must admit, that's a handsome dog. What are you going to do? He's a happy dog. Looking out the window now? No, I don't know where the dog is. Yeah, that's good enough.